How SolidWorks can help you in school. This is the first video in a series that shows how SolidWorks can help you out in school. Do you need to design a cam? If you do, this video will show you different ways to make a cam. The next video in this series will show the mating of cams in an assembly as well as the analysis of these cams. There are a number of different ways to make a cam in SolidWorks. The first way is to create one from scratch. A cam blank needs to be first created by extruding a circle. A hole can be added at the rotation point of the cam. Create a profile on the surface of the cam. All the sketch entities need to be tangent to each other in order for the cam mate in the assembly to work. It is possible to fillet all of the non-tangent edges after to achieve the same tangent result. Once created, the profile can be cut out of the blank. Another option to create a cam is to import curves from another source to generate the profile. Depending on the file type, a curve can be inserted by selecting the Curves drop-down in the Feature Command Manager tab and selecting Curve through XYZ points. Here, individual points can be added manually, or a file with data points can be imported. This curve is converted using Convert Entities in the sketch and then can be cut out of the cam blank. The final way to create a cam is by designing it through the feature in the toolbox. First go under Tools, Add-ins, then SolidWorks Toolbox. Next select Toolbox, then Cams. This will open a window that has 3 tabs. In the Setup tab, the units for the cam can be set up. The cam type can be chosen as either circular or linear. The follower can also be set in the position that it will be in once the assembly is made. Depending on the settings picked, there are a number of values that need to be entered, such as the follower diameter, the starting radius, and the direction of rotation. The Motion tab lets you define what type of profile the cam will have. Click Add and select the motion type that is desired for that portion of the cam. Enter the ending radius for that segment as well as the number of degrees this motion will take place over. Repeat this until you have reached 360 degrees in total motion if a circular cam is being made. Under the Creation tab, details such as the cam blank diameter and thickness can be entered as well as the hub diameters and the through hole. The resolution type and value specify the length of the segments created. The Track Surfaces allows the cam to be either an external or internal cam surface, or both. In selecting the Arcs box, the cam profile will be created using arcs as opposed to line segments. Once complete, select Create and then Done. This will create a new part that can be saved and inserted into assembly. To aid in the mating of an assembly, it is best to make sure that all cam profile faces are tangent to each other. This can be done either by filleting, adding a relation to the sketch, or a combination of the two. Part 2 of this video, the use of mating cams in an assembly will be shown, as well as the analysis of the cam.